Okay, we are back at our property. So gonna give you a little bit of updates. So we recently had our electric pole put in. The electric company came out. They actually replaced the old pole. The old pole was in bad shape, needed replacing, and they put a transformer on it. So gonna give you all a quick view of that new pole. Then we are planning on installing a temporary meter. That way, when we're building, we have power here at the property until we can actually get it installed on the house once it's built. But here is a little bit of an update for you guys. So here's the new electric pole with the transformer there at the top. Looks nice. And right beside it, here's the old pole. They actually kept it for us, which is nice of them. We're gonna use it some way, somehow. We might cut it up and put it underneath our storage container, which is right over there, just to level it out a little bit. We could also cut it up and use it as like parking. So we'll see. But yeah, there's that. And then we are going to go ahead and dig a hole and install our temporary meter for the build. So we've got my dad driving the tractor. Here's my husband. Here's our youngest Maverick. He loves tractors, so he had to come and watch. What little boy doesn't like tractors? so end of the day, we finally have the temporary pole put up. Here it is. So that will be our temporary meter. So what we're gonna do is call electric on Monday and have them come actually hook up the meter and give us service for the build. But not too bad. So that's just a little update for you guys. We're just really excited. This process is going to take us a little bit longer because, like I said in my first video, we did not hire an actual builder to come and oversee the project. We don't have a contractor. We're going to be our own contractors for this, so we're finding our own contacts for each step of the process. Our next step is meeting with a foundation concrete guy. He's actually coming out on Monday, so we're really excited about that. We're going to meet with him, get a quote, see what he can do for us. We're trying to get 2 to 3 quotes for each step of the process, so yeah, it does take some time. But we are excited to be out here. Just look at that view. It's just beautiful. We have trees all around. We're excited. It's going to be beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and to follow our journey. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.